I don't want to not show you this bad boy, which is the P11 Abyss by, this is basically doing everything you need in a compressor, by Pulsar Modular. This thing is nuts, and I will show you in a second. Go for that. I have a vision in my head to use the Pure Mu setting. This is the Kniff Pure Mu, a Very Mu, which is really not sounding like a Very Mu. It has a heft in the lower end, but it also has a really beautiful top. It doesn't alter the top end. So listen to that. This is an RMS compressor. I can go into details for a long time, but just take it for now. And now we are loudness compensated. I'm not even giving, see, the main out is -1.3 dB off. I'm going now for the shootout for that particular track between the P11 Abyss versus the discrete VCA compressor from Andy Eschenbecker. This device with a soul and this PSI can basically emulate every compressor that you know. Look at the presets. Compressor from DG Design Smack. What do we still have? This Wolf compressor from Goodhertz. Nuke compressor, which is the 1176-ish thing from the Distressors. Compax. It can basically copy everything because it has harmonics as well. It's not just clean, but it sounds ridiculous. This is in my spice shelf. Listen to that now, guys, and tell me if you like it. And I sure know you will. The two giants are fighting each other. Let's go.
So it's driving me crazy because you left me too soon. Wanna be with you. Ooh, next to you. Ooh, next to you. Ooh, next to you. I can take this heavy rain, there's no escape. I dream about you, you call my name from heaven, babe. I heard you say it, you think about me now. I know that one day we gon' be together. All I have is hope that we live once more. And I wanna be patient. I wanna wake up next to you. So it's driving me crazy because you left me too soon. Wanna be with you. Ooh, next to you. Ooh.
Who's the winner? It's hard, isn't it? But what do you think imparts the best sound on this particular track? Which one?